Good morning, and welcome back to English with Audie. Today, we are going to learn very useful English phrases. We are going to talk about the kitchen and cooking. Every phrase you hear today is used every single day by real people in the United States and the United Kingdom. So, let us go to the kitchen together and start cooking in English. Every morning, we walk into the kitchen. In English, we say, I am so hungry. What is there to eat? Say it slowly. I am so hungry. What is there to eat? We also say, I am absolutely starving. Let me make something quick. Slowly. I am absolutely starving. Let me make something quick. In the UK, people say, I am famished. I need to eat something now. Famished means extremely hungry. I am famished. I need to eat something now. Now, it is time to prepare our ingredients. In English, we say, let me chop the vegetables. Say it slowly. Let me chop the vegetables. Chop means to cut into small pieces. We also say, can you wash the vegetables first? Slowly. Can you wash the vegetables first? While preparing, we say, I need to peel the potatoes. Say it with me. I need to peel the potatoes. Peel means to remove the skin. In the UK, people say, shall I do the veg? Veg means vegetables. Shall I do the veg? Now, let us turn on the stove. In English, we say, let me turn on the stove. Say it slowly. Let me turn on the stove. In the UK, people say, let me put it on the hob. Hob is the British word for stove or cooker. Let me put it on the hob. While cooking, we say, I need to lower the heat. Let it simmer. Slowly, I need to lower the heat. Let it simmer. Simmer means cooking slowly on low heat. We also say, do not let it burn. Say it with me. Do not let it burn. Very important in every kitchen. Eggs are very popular in the USA and UK. In English, we say, how would you like your eggs? Say it slowly. How would you like your eggs? The answer might be, I would like them scrambled, please. Slowly, I would like them scrambled, please. Or we say, can you make me a fried egg? Say it with me. Can you make me a fried egg? In the UK, people also love soft-boiled eggs with toast soldiers. Toast soldiers are thin strips of toast for dipping. Soft-boiled eggs with toast soldiers. Very British. Very delicious. Time for a hot drink. In the USA, people say, I am making coffee. The coffee is brewing. Say it slowly. I am making coffee. The coffee is brewing. Brewing means the coffee is being made. In the UK, people say, I will put the kettle on. Do you want a cup of tea? Say it with me. I will put the kettle on. Do you want a cup of tea? While waiting, we say, the kettle has boiled. Tea is ready. Slowly. The kettle has boiled. Tea is ready. In the UK, this is the most important sentence of the entire day. Now, let us taste the food. In English, we say, let me taste this. Say it slowly. Let me taste this. After tasting, we say, it needs a little more salt. Slowly, it needs a little more salt. Or we say, it needs more seasoning. Say it with me. It needs more seasoning. Seasoning means adding salt, pepper, and spices to food. When it tastes perfect, we say, that is absolutely perfect. Slowly, that is absolutely perfect. In the UK, people say, that tastes lovely, just right. That tastes lovely, just right. The food is ready. Now, let us set the table. In English, we say, can you set the table, please? Say it slowly. Can you set the table, please? While setting the table, we say, put the plates out, and do not forget the cutlery. Slowly, put the plates out, and do not forget the cutlery. Cutlery means knives, forks, and spoons. We also say, lunch is served. Come and eat. Say it with me. Lunch is served. Come and eat. In the UK, people say, dinner is on the table. Come and get it. Dinner is on the table. Come and get it. Now, we sit down and eat. In English, we say, this smells amazing. Say it slowly. This smells amazing. After the first bite, we say, oh wow, this is delicious. Say it with feeling. Oh wow, this is delicious. We also say, you are such a great cook. Slowly. You are such a great cook. When someone says this to you, you reply, thank you so much. I am glad you like it. Say it with me. Thank you so much. I am glad you like it. In the UK, people say, this is absolutely gorgeous. Well done. This is absolutely gorgeous. Well done. The meal is finished. Now it is time to clean up. In English, we say, let me wash the dishes. Say it slowly. Let me wash the dishes. In the UK, people say, shall I wash up? Wash up means to clean all the dishes. Shall I wash up? We also say, can you put the leftovers away? Slowly. Can you put the leftovers away? Leftovers are the food that was not eaten. And finally, we say, the kitchen is all clean now. Say it with me. The kitchen is all clean now. Well done, everyone. Great meal. Wonderful work today. Let us quickly review all our kitchen phrases. 1. I am absolutely starving. 2. Let me chop the vegetables. 3. Let me turn on the stove. 4. How would you like your eggs? 5. I will put the kettle on. 6. It needs more seasoning. 7. Can you set the table, please? 8. This smells amazing. 9. This is delicious. 10. Shall I wash up? Practice these phrases every single time you are in the kitchen. Say them out loud while you cook. Your English will grow every single day. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope these kitchen phrases helped you. Next time, when you are in the kitchen, cooking or making tea, try to say these phrases out loud. Even just 2 or 3 is a wonderful start. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English with Audie for a brand new simple English video every single week. I will see you in the next video. Take care, keep practicing, and enjoy your cooking. Goodbye for now.